No matter what you do, Mokka to Go's compact and lightweight design lets you take it with you everywhere. With its smooth curves, it is gentle to all bags or rucksacks fabrics, and its slim waist fits in every standard bicycle bottle cage. The handling is so widely known, instructions become almost obsolete. Mokka to Go includes 2 mugs and weighs only a tad over 300 grams. Due to its clever construction, you can hot or cold brew 250 milliliters of delicious coffee. Enjoy fresh brewed coffee. Anytime, everywhere.
Hi, I'm Sven, the designer of mokka to Go. Among other things, I love coffee. Certainly before, almost always during, and sometimes even after outdoor activities. And I like it there and then. Over the years, I've tried numerous ways to make coffee, but always got back to my old, bulky and heavy percolator. This was about to change when cycling on a beautiful road in the French Jura, an idea struck me. And not even a month later, I brewed coffee with my first prototype. It was on a cold morning at the remote location with a great view in the Swiss Alps. Preparing was the same as always, but the anticipation, seeing that coffee flow out there, and the familiar noises and taste, it was just so great. Since then, the product evolved. It became light, compact, well, mokka to go. But I need your help to make it available for everyone. Back it on Kickstarter and indulge yourself or a loved one. See you out there.